The nature of software in software engineering explained clearly. Software is the logical core of computing, instructing hardware to perform specific tasks. It is intangible and evolves constantly through updates, unlike physical hardware components. Software includes applications, system programs, and embedded systems with unique roles. Its complexity and customizability stem from human design, logic, and ever-changing needs. Software is a creative intellectual product powering all modern technologies we rely on today. Software is the invisible force behind every digital innovation,